we've done it again. Now this is a very, very good example, a fine example as a matter of fact. 2017, 67 registration. Check this out, one owner from new and full Land Rover service history. Now if you like what you see, call me direct on the number below, because this car isn't going to make the day, and it's phenomenal the way it's being kept, the service history, the number of ownership. But then you've got the colour. Although the car just looks black, it's not. It's called Faralon Black. It's a lovely black colour. It is black, but it's got glitter in it, it's got a shade of blue in it, and it does look superb, especially when the sun hits outside. I'll show you later on in the video. But it's a 3-litre diesel HSE with loads of specification. It's got the black badging, the black grills, the LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, front rear parking sensors. But then you've got other smart features like the 22-inch upgraded jet black wheels, which look absolutely amazing. Now these Range Rover Sports are fabulous, and we sell any amount of Range Rovers here. More so recently we're selling the newer ones, 22 registrations and 21s. We don't really get many on the 17s and 67s, and when we do get them, normally they have 80,000 miles on, which is absolutely fine, but for our retail profile it didn't really work. So every so often we get one like this with 37,000 miles on, with the minimal owners, in this case one owner, and it's been fully looked after properly by Land Rover throughout its full journey. So it makes it a real good purchase. Don't try and compare this car to one that you've seen down the road with 4 owners and part service history, hasn't got 22-inch alloys. It's not the same car, and then it's the colour. This one also has a fixed side steps, the sun protection glass, and most importantly, the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is brilliant. And then you have this interior. Absolutely beautiful. Black leather interior, but look at the leather, drivers and passengers. In superb condition. Don't get me wrong, it's a used car. Will there be a level of wear? Absolutely, and if there was, I'd be more concerned why there isn't. But then look at that infotainment system. This being the 67 registration, it has a more updated, modern infotainment system in there with touchscreen media, navigation, Bluetooth. You've then got heated seats, dual zone climate control, the Meridian sound system, electric seats and memory seats, both for driver and passenger. It's just brilliant, the car. It's fabulous. So if you look on here, this being the more up-to-date version has Apple Carplay and the Android Auto, where the previous model at 2016-66 didn't have this wider screen. It was only that big. So this is so much easier to use, just nicer. Now this car also has a very expensive optional extra called the electric deployable tow bar, which I'll show you in a few seconds. 2 keys, twin cup holders, 12-volt sockets, like I said, dual zone climate control, dashboard with all the manuals and the books, and there's receipts galore. There's tons of receipts with it. Everything that's been done to the car correctly, service-wise, been perfect. In the back, the same. The leather in the back, I mean, you make your own mind up, but very quickly you can look at a car and go, you know what? That's a very clean example. Rear heated seats, front rear side airbags, 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, that middle row seats or back row seats, they do recline ever so slightly. Round the back you have the LED lighting system, the black badging again, reversing camera system, and then you have the automatic tailgate. But then you've got that big boot, and I say this all the time, when you're buying a Range Rover, it's nice. The car looks fabulous, it drives brilliant, it's nice and high up, it's a 3-litre diesel, returns a good miles per gallon, but then the practicality side is brilliant, and just look at the condition of it. The tonneau cover which hides all the valuables, the seats go down 60-40, and then you press this button here, electronically the tow bar comes out. Now, guess what? You might not tow, you might not use it ever, so you don't have to. When you're not using it, press the button, it goes away, out of sight, out of mind. But if you do tow anything at all, then that's perfect. You're not getting your hands dirty, you're not getting your hands and knees, it's just press of a button and it knocks itself out without any effort whatsoever. Obviously the car's on air suspension. At the minute it's sat on access height, and with them 22-inch alloy wheels, which are in perfect condition, may I add. There's no curb damage, no corrosion. They are absolutely fabulous. And that's what we're all about. When we're selling a car with nice low mileage, with low ownership, full service history, condition inside and out has to work hand in hand, because when you're spending the money that you are, hard-earned money, you want to be wowed by it. I'm going to quickly to the car outside and show you the colour before I go back inside the car, because this Faralon Black, I'll be honest with you, we sell that many Range Rovers. I don't think I've seen one in this colour before. The Faralon Black is a beautiful example, and I do mean that. I'm going to put it on an angle so you can see it fully, because from every angle when the sun hits it, you'll see what I mean. It is, can you see the shimmer, the shine on it? If you just look, the glitter in it is unbelievable. As you go around the car, you'll see, like on here, I just think when you're buying cars with colours, like, you know, with different flick in them, it just stands out. So on a normal day, it just looks like a black car. But with them wheels and with that lovely metallic paint, it really does make a statement. That's what it is. I just think value for money is a lot of car, genuinely. Just have a look at this, Tom, because you can just catch it when the sun hits it right. You can see the flicking it there. Have a little look. That's just a little glitters everywhere. It is genuinely that nice. I'll take it back inside because out the sun. And they're so easy to drive. Now this one's got reversing camera system, remember, parking sensors as well. And once you're in the car and you're driving it, it doesn't feel that big. They are what they are. They're so easy, to be fair. Now on this one, other things like electric windows and mirrors, the full digital dashboard, which is just there, paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, everything's at your fingertips really. Stop start button, like I said, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, and if you're not going to use it, you can press the button next to it, and it's got a full electric blind which will cover it and give it that nice sport dark feeling. This car ticks every single box. Value for money, it's absolutely superb. Colour, spec, mileage, everything about it is wonderful. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. I meant what I said. This car isn't going to hang around. So if you like what you see, call me direct, drop me a WhatsApp. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.